Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is Safari not working on your iPhone? Maybe web pages won't load, Safari keeps showing a blank page, or you are seeing errors when trying to open websites? Don't worry, this is a fairly common issue and it's usually easy to fix. In this guide, I will show you several quick solutions you can try if Safari isn't loading pages on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is try clearing Safari's history and website data. Over time, cached files and cookies can cause Safari to behave strangely. Here's how to clear them. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. On the next page, tap Safari. Here, tap on Clear History and Website Data, then choose All History under Clear Time Frame, and finally hit the Clear History button. This removes cached data that might be preventing websites from loading properly. Content blockers or ad blockers can sometimes interfere with websites and prevent them from loading. To check this, open Settings, tap on Apps, then tap on Safari. Here, find and tap on Extensions and disable any content blockers or ad blockers. After disabling them, open Safari again and try loading the web page. If the site loads normally, the blocker was likely causing the problem. Sometimes Safari isn't the problem at all. Your internet connection might be the issue. Try these quick fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi off and back on. If you're on cellular, switch to Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Then reopen Safari and see if pages start loading again. If the problem still isn't fixed, resetting your network settings can often solve persistent connectivity problems. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you will need to reconnect afterward. So if Safari isn't working on your iPhone or web pages won't load, try clearing Safari data, disabling content blockers, checking your internet connection, and resetting network settings. One of these fixes should get Safari working again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.